Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google account tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you how to link a YouTube channel video to your Google account for proper insight as far as your Google account and YouTube channel video advert is concerned. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you navigate to the toolbar right here. Go ahead and click on toolbar. Under the toolbar, go ahead and navigate to data manager right here. Then from data manager, the next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on connect products right here. And then here you go, you have YouTube right here. Go ahead and click on YouTube. And then it's going to take you right here and then link a video to Google Ads. This allows you to choose a specific video that you can link to your Google Ads. From here, you can have a lot of insight about the ads from YouTube channel. Next thing you want to do right here, you can as well click on learn more about linking YouTube video. Link a video made by YouTube creator to explore how people interact with the content that you have, either sponsor or that mentions your brand organically. This is for brands and company that want to advertise or sponsor a particular video from a pool of video on a particular channel. So for that, you can click on learn more right here, and then you have details about how this process works right here. Before you pay, you can read all the articles right here, and then down below right here, you have a step-by-step. Select a channel, select advanced settings tab, then select link account, enter a name for the link or a Google account, then custom ID, choose which permission you want to grant, select, and done. Then save. After the owner of the Google account approve your request, your channel is linked to that Google account. It's that simple. You can easily watch a very quick tutorial about how this thing is done. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks on how to manage and connect different products to your Google Ad account, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.